Hello, my friends. We have a fun happy birthday background that I can't wait to share with you. But first, let's go over some new items that we have. The first item is perfect for my CreativeDex lovers. I know there are a lot of you out there because let me tell you, my sales prove it. But this is a 3-in-1 bundle, meaning there are 3 in this bundle. Are you ready? You are getting the fun little bubbles. Remember the Circle Edge A2 card that's limited edition that literally sold out within like, I think 24 hours? Yeah, it has that border. Yay! Then we have this fun larger decal edge. And on the back, we have this fun scalloped edge, like an eyelet scalloped edge. Really fun. Each one has a layering die. Yay! That's the first thing. The next thing I have to share with you is a fun A2 present background. Now this is really fun. It could make the perfect shaker cards if you want. And it stitches just, and I can't wait to show you the samples, but it stitches and it only cuts out certain spots. So it's perfect to do a lot of different things with. And this design team will show you. Now, the next item, you're gonna say, oh, I already have that. No, you don't. You might think you do, but you don't. Because this is a little different. This is a banner nesting die, 5x7 in size. The largest one is 5x7, but you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dies in here. Now, I know you're saying, no, Stephanie, I have that banner. I already have it. It's on my wall right now. No, no, no. Look. See the size difference? See the size difference. Boom. This one is a lot bigger. This is our normal banner. And then you're saying, well, Stephanie, it came with a layering die. Nope, this one's still bigger. This one's still bigger. I think there's one in between this one. Yeah, there's one in between this one. It's still bigger. Now, why does it look like this? Because we designed this, and the design team, you know, I do this thing where I send the dies to the design team and I don't say anything because I want to see what they're going to do with them. They have such creative, amazing minds. They turn it into something else half the time. But Michelle got it. Michelle figured out what I was thinking. Not to say the other ones are wrong, because they're amazing also. But this was designed to make books, mini albums, little things like that, little goodie books. And that's why, see at the top here, there's a big space, because that is technically where your binding would go. So now you can make mini albums. Use your cinch machine, your mini cinch machines. Different versions will work, but you can make these a little album. And then look at this. I'm so lucky to be your friend. Look, now you can make literally a mini album for anyone you want. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Totally love that. So much fun. Totally decorate that baby, and you can make it out of chipboard. Awesome. She layered this. It looks like 3 layers. So 1 piece of chipboard and 2 black pieces of cardstock. Isn't that adorable? Now you can make banners. Now you can make books. And it doesn't even have to be banner. You could do it this way too and make a little mini album for someone. I know. Okay, let's jump in and look at all the samples. But you guys, I just want you to know it's a totally different size. Now, let's look at some of our birthday backgrounds. I always like to show you a whole bunch at once so you can really get some ideas right off the bat. Now, of course, all of these cards and ideas that I show you in any of my videos are also all on our website in our idea gallery, which is really important because sometimes you go, oh, I want to do that card she made, but I don't remember what it looked like. You can go to this item on our website, click on View Idea Gallery. Click on that button. All the ideas using this die will pop up. It's all organized, so you don't have to like search and search and search. And you can also favorite them. You can print them out if you want to. It's really, really awesome, you guys. Look how gorgeous this one is. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? But you get to decorate the presents any way you want. Here's 2 versions from Chris. Look at that. Isn't that fun? And I wish you could see the stitching in person a lot better. I'm sorry. I wish you could see it on video. In person, you can see perfect. Oh, look, it's a present. It's so cute. But if you were here, you could really, really see those awesome presents. But look at how cute they are. I love them. And it just makes a fun background, which makes it even more exciting. Now, let's look at some CreativeDex ideas. Here are some fun ones that our design team made. Oh, look how cute that is. So you can add somebody's information. Sewing, the sewing machine, the little mailbox. This one goes with the little mailbox. So cute. Here's a cute one. We need to keep in touch. I love that. That's so cute. Or here's one, birthday hugs. Oh, and we added, did you guys see the new wood boxes we added on our website from Clear Scraps? So we do now have wood boxes. You put them together yourself. Go check them out. Search CreativeDex and it'll pop up, or wood box, it'll pop up. And you can definitely get in on those. They sold out the first time we brought them both in. There's 2 different versions. We sold out within 24 hours, I'm guessing. And so we've reordered them. We're trying to keep them in stock all the time, but they keep selling out. So if you see them on our website, get them before they sell out again. Here's a cute, they're really good though about getting our orders out to us, so it's awesome. Here is hello to you on a 5x7 card using that banner as a background. You can also make smaller banners if you want to, just using a circle die. Look how cute, oh, with our diamond. I love, love, love that diamond card front. Isn't that awesome? You are a wonderful friend. Can you imagine if you work in an office or you have a good friend, you could literally make them this banner, and like you could put it on their desk at their office or put it on their chair, or just even mail this to someone. How fun that would be. Also, here's another one. I always like to decorate the kids' doorknobs when it's their birthday. Look how cute that is. Happy birthday. You could put this on their little doorknob or on your co-workers or friends. How fun to deliver a gift to a friend and put this on their doorknob when it's their birthday. Here's, oh, wow. That is, whoo. Yvette, look at that. Look at how gorgeous that is with the present background on the banner. Isn't that beautiful? That looks absolutely stunning. You guys, go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. The first 24 hours these items are on our website, they're on flash sale. Extra discount. Save that money. Woohoo! I love it. I love it. Club members, you get your discount also. Now, if you're not in the club, I highly recommend you just join the Stamp Club to start. Get your toes wet. Just get a good introduction to the Stamps of Life. You'll get your discount. You'll get your free gifts for joining. You'll get your anniversary gift card if you stay in a full year. And you're going to start to fall in love with us. So go check it out. The monthly commitment's only 3 months. After 3 months, you can cancel it anytime, because by then we know you won't want to, and you're going to fall in love with us. So come check us out, thestampsoflife.com. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you click that subscribe button so you're always notified when we release new products and new videos. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.